Compound value equal to 490.57 rands per coin. Current price range 474.42 498.36 previous day, closing 485.86 change, was plus 4.71, plus 0.97 opposite rate ZAR.com. Compound cost expectation for the near future and month. Compound cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 466 rands, high 499, low 433. Compound cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 443 rands, high 474, low 412. Compound cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 478 rands, high 511, low 445. Compound cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost for 66 rands, high 499, low 433. Compound conjecture on Thursday, June 22, cost 391 rands, high 418, low 364. 339 rands, high 363, low 315. Compound gauge on Monday, July 3, costs 337 rands, high 361, low 313. Compound gauge on Tuesday, July 4, costs 340 rands, high 364, low 316. Compound gauge on Wednesday, July 5, costs 336 rands, high 360, low 312. In 3 weeks. Compound gauge on Thursday, July 6, costs 327 rands, high 350, low 304. Compound gauge on Friday, July 7, costs 333 rands, high 356, low 310. Compound gauge on Monday, July 10, costs 338 rands, high 362, low 314. On Friday, July 14, the compound cost is expected to be 353 rands, high 385, low 335. On Monday, July 17, the high 378, low 328 compound figure, cost 348 rands. High 372, low 324. Compound value forecast for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Compound cost forecast for June 2023 to begin at 707 rands. Excessive cost 718, while low cost 315. The middle value of cost was discovered to be 520. Compound cost estimate toward the months and 339 change for June. 52.1% compound estimate for July 2023 to begin with cost at 339 rands. Excessive costs 385, while low cost 265. The cost 319. Compound cost estimate toward the months and 285 change for July. 15.9% compound cost expectation for August 2023 was discovered to begin, cost a 285 rands. Extravagant cost 285, while low cost 246, but discovered the intermediate value of cost 270. Compound cost gauge toward the months and 265 change for August. 7% compound gauge for September 2023. Compound cost gauge toward the months and 262 change for September. 1.1% compound cost projection for October 2023. First and foremost, the pricing is extravagant at 262 rands, whereas the low cost is 210. The middle cost 240. Compound cost gauge toward the months and 226 change for October. 13.7% compound gauge for November 2023 were discovered. First and foremost, cost a 222 rands. Exorbitant cost 276, while low cost 206. Discovered the middle value of cost 223. Compound cost gauge toward the months and 222 change for November. 1.8% compound cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost, cost a 222 rands. Exorbitant cost 276, while low cost 222. Discovered the middle value of cost 245. Compound cost estimate toward the monsoon 258 change for December. 16.2% compound estimate for January 2024. Excessive cost 258, while Low cost 202. The discovered the middle cost 234 compound cost estimate for the months and 217 change for January 15.9% compound cost expectation for February 2024 first and foremost cost at 217 rands exorbitant cost 217 while low cost 169. The discovered the middle cost 196 compound cost estimate for the months and 182 change for February 16.1% compound estimate for WAC 2024 first and foremost cost at 182 rands exorbitant cost 182 while low cost 142. The middle value of cost was discovered to be 165. Compound cost estimate for the months and 153 change for spring 15.9% compound cost forecast for April 2024. Before everything else, cost 153 rands are expensive at 189 and inexpensive at 153. He reached at the midpoint with a cost of 168 compound cost number for the months and 177 change for April 15.7% compound figure for May 2024 at the outset cost of 177 rands excessive cost 177 while low cost 139. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 161. Compound costs forecast for the months and 149 change from a 15.8% compound cost forecast for June 2024 at the outset cost of 149 rands excessive cost 185 while low cost 149. They arrived at the cost 164. Compound cost forecast for the months and 173 change for June 16.1% ZAR to comp exchanging scale equivalent to 0.2038 coins for 100 rands. The current value is 0.2007 minus 0.2108, with a change of 0.002 in the last days. Technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. BTC hits a one-year high above $31,000 to start the weekend. Late on Friday night, the price of Bitcoin went over $31,000, which was the highest it had been in a year. After being mostly down at the beginning of the month, prices have risen by as much as 15% in the last week. Also, Ethereum went back above $1,900 for a short time. Bitcoin, BTC, bulls once again ruled the market, and late Friday night they pushed the price above the $31,000 level. As the day went on, BTC/USD went from a low of $29,927.28 to a high of $31,389.54 during the same session. This was the first time since June 6 of last year that the price of Bitcoin went above $31,400. Since hitting this high point, BTC has gone down a bit. And the Relative Strength Index, RSI,